to our video. Today we are going to begin with our book, that is Knowledge World, a course book for general knowledge, and this is a book for class 5 students by the Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, Tiny Creatures. Insects are tiny creatures. Each of the insects have 6 legs and some insects have wings to fly. Now name the following insects with the help of the pictures and the description given below. So let's begin with them. The first picture, it says the males of the species, they have large horns that are actually large jaws used for fighting, and the answer for this question is stag beetle. Then the next is it lays its eggs on the underside of a leaf, and the answer is butterfly. Then we have the third image, and this says that it collects nectar from the flowers to make honey. And what is the answer for this? The answer is bee. Then we have the fourth image, and it says that it is mostly found in crevices of furniture and sucks human blood. And the answer for this is bed bug. Then the fifth image, it can survive for a few minutes without its head. And the answer for this is cockroach. The sixth image, it says that it is the smallest insect in the world, and its answer is feathering beetle. I would call it feathering beetle. Let's now move to the seventh and the eighth image. The seventh image says that it can pull loads of up to 300 times of its own weight, and the answer is ant, ant. Then the last one is the ears of this insect are found near its knees. So the ears of the insects are where? Near its knees, and the answer is grasshopper. Let's now move to the your answer please portion. This asks that which tiny creature have you seen at your home? Make a quick look of the creature which you have seen at your home. Next, the quick fact. It says that bees need to collect nectar from at least 2 million flowers and to make half a kilo of honey. यानी कि 2 million flowers से bees nectar collect करती हैं ताकि वो half kg honey बना सकें. So this was all about the chapter. All the exercises have been completed. I hope you have understood the questions along with the answers. Thank you. Well, thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.